Hello everyone, welcome to Definite Solution. Today I am going to show you how to create zip file in Windows 10. So let's get started. First you need to go to the folder where your files are located. Then select all files folder you want to zip. Right click on any of those files. Then go to send to. Now click on compress zip folder. Now you need to rename your zip file, and that's it. Now you have just created a zip file in few steps. If you found this video helpful, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.